Get out!
Nope.
Get the fuck out!
February 12th, 2022, a cold day in Buffalo, New York. What begins as a routine patrol spirals into a deadly confrontation, a state trooper, a man behind the wheel, a split-second decision that would end one life and change another forever. This is not a movie. This is real body cam footage, and what you're about to witness is raw, intense, and controversial. Viewer discretion is advised. This is the full, uncut story of James Huber, a man whose name is now forever linked with a question America keeps asking. When does law enforcement cross the line?
Get the fuck out! Get the
I
fuck! Get out! Get out!
Go away.
Dude, get out! Get out! Get out!
Nope.
Get the fuck out! 7415 Buffalo. Shots fired.
What's your location?
Get out of here! Get out of here! Washington. Washington and Eagle. Shots fired. Send an ambulance. Driver's been hit. I'm fine.
Headquarters 745, you copy?
Oh, you dumbass.
What's your location? They're going to be on Washington and Eagle. Headquarters 745, you copy?
Yeah. No.
745 Buffalo, copy and route.
38-year-old James Huber was reportedly driving recklessly at high speeds on Interstate 90. New York State Police were alerted, and a pursuit began. But when the chase was deemed too dangerous, it was called off. Until Trooper Anthony Nigro spotted the same vehicle later, parked in the heart of Buffalo. Bodycam now recording, he approaches. Huber refuses commands. The officer draws his weapon. Tension rises. In these moments, what should a trained officer do? Huber's hands are visible. He isn't complying, but he isn't attacking either. Then, movement. The car shifts into reverse. Trooper Nigro believes his life is in danger, and in 2 quick flashes, it's over. Huber is dead. But the story doesn't end there. It's just getting started. Months later, the case reached the courtroom. The public demanded answers. Activists cried foul. Was this manslaughter or self-defense? The New York Attorney General charged Trooper Nigro with first and second-degree manslaughter. Rare, bold, a signal of accountability. But in March 2024, a judge delivered the final verdict: not guilty. The court ruled that the shooting was justified, that Trooper Nigro feared for his life and acted accordingly. And so we ask, did justice prevail, or did the system protect its own? Let us know in the comments what you think. Was this a tragedy of misunderstanding, or a failure in training and restraint? This is True Patrol. Real footage, real stories, no filters. Like, share, subscribe, and remember, behind every flashing siren, there's a story waiting to be told.